everyone, this is my awesome machine gun. I'll just show you how wide it is. I'll show you how you shoot it. So basically you put it here where I'm pointing, like this, and then you just press the trigger and it shoots. And this is a toy, and I want you to know, in the side here, can you see throwing at it? This is it. This. I've also got another thing what I want to show you. Okay, so I'll just be back in a sec. These are bolts. Basically, the bolts are better than anything. But really, these are just pretend ones. So, I hope you like this video. You might want to see about the crossbow and a bow and arrow one. A gun with a hole in, because it's a very old gun, and I hope you like this video. Well, bye!